Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am in Walmart right now. I came to get a couple things, but of course you guys know I have to detour and look at everything else. So let's just see what I see today. These are some cute wallets for $9.97. I really like this one right here. That is kind of cute. Tempting me to get that one. And I got these and they're only $9.97. This one comes with the little charger and everything in there, and that one comes with the stripes and even this plain color one. What are these? These are also $9.97. I like the polka dots. Oh, look at that, the rainbows. They got that marble look, the glitter, and then that one down there. Oh, they got some cute fanny packs. I feel like this is gonna be weird today because the store is like super busy. So I'll just look at a few things. These fanny packs are $9.97. I like that. The unicorns and the cute little hearts, these are canvas. This one was like a nylon. They got different ones. I saw these cute duffel bags before. I really like these. They're like metallic. These are $14.97. If you need to go to the gym, these will make some cute bags. And I like how the handle is like a rope like that. So they have silver, this pretty green, and then this kind of cute pink right here. And they also come with this cactus print, this one, and then the stripes. Here's some more like Aztec type style bags for $14.97. That's cute, little tassel. And then that one comes in pink as well with the brown handle. And then they have these down here. Oh, that one is pretty. I like that one. Over here they got some cute hats for $7.97. This one says the struggle is real. These are snapbacks. These ones right here are fitted caps like that. This one says nope. Let's see. I like this denim little hat like that. And then they even have the little brown one in different colors. Cute hats, perfect for me. You guys know I love me some hats. Time and True has some cute clothes. This little blouse right here reminds me of like something that's like Free People. It comes with the little tassels hanging on the side like that. And it's real flowy. But I love the embroidery on that one. And this is $16.88. They also have that in this kind of like burnt orange color. That's cute. Here's some like swimming suit cover-ups. And these are also $16.88. That's cute. Cute bathing suits. I love the floral print on this one. These are $19.96. That's kind of cute. And then it has a little cutout detailing in that right there. Here's some more Time and True blouses right here for $15.84. I like that. Look at that. The little tassels. That one also comes in white. And yeah, $15.84. And they also come in navy blue.
Yellow.
Although I have already seen most of this stuff over here in the spring section, this just popped out at me. I don't remember seeing this. This is cute for $6.88. Bloom where you were planted. That's cute. And then pretty much everything else is still the same. If you didn't know, I put up a different video showing all of this stuff. I'll link it at the end of this video in case you missed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bypass this. Oh, this is cute. I don't remember seeing this either, and it's $13.88. That's pretty.
They don't have one?
This one doesn't have a price, but look at her little flower. That's cute. Okay, the Pioneer Woman has some cute cups. Look at that. These are $12.84. They look like that. And then this one, I really like this one. That's really pretty. Stainless steel tumbler. This one is $8.88. The bigger ones were $12.84. And then look at this over here. How pretty is that? And it has that kind of top. These are $9.94. That's really pretty too. And then up here, I see this. What is this? A Bordeaux bottle. Double wall vacuum insulated stainless steel bottle. Great for cold or hot. Oh, look at that design on that. I like that. That's the only color I see, but that's really pretty. And those are $14.82. Here's another one by Pioneer Woman. And that one has that really pretty floral pattern with the little polka dots. And this one is that one that? I think, no, Mug Mint. So this is only $7.94 for that. That's cute. I came out to the garden and look at these cute little pots with the little gnome hanging on the side. And these are only $7. And look at that. I thought that was really cute. They do have some different ones too. Look at that pot. I like that. And then this pot down here is really pretty as well. I like that. And that is, these are all $7. I just happened to see these baskets and I thought these were cute. Look at all the different colors. I really like that purple one if you're thinking about making a gift basket for somebody. And these are only $5.44. But yeah, I like that. And they're nice size too. Okay, this is starting to be a thing. Look at that. Everything is like rainbow colors. Really cute. Look at that. And this is $11.74. And then next to that, I see these. I didn't even know they sold Starbucks cups in here. And this is, it's kind of small, but I like the ombre or the colors. But it is $14.82. If anybody needs scrubs, they have some super cute ones. Look at the panda. And he has little glasses on. These are $15.96. And I also see the Minnie Mouse ones. Passing the kids section, I happen to see these $6.97 for the cute little strawberry purse. Look at the little flamingo. And it has the little feet. This one is missing a foot. But the little feet like that for $6.97. These would be cute inside of your little girl's, what am I trying to say, Easter baskets. Look at that. And then there's a rainbow. They also have little backpacks too. Little backpack purse. So I see the flamingo, pineapples, flowers, watermelon, and the rainbows. I think these sandals are cute. Look at how sparkly they are. And these are only $12.97. They have the little toe area. Then Time and True has these really pretty kimonos. Look at that one. It has like a lace detail at the bottom. I love that pattern on that one. And this is $15.97. They also have this pattern. Really, really pretty. This one has like a bell sleeve on it. And that one also comes in black. And here's some lighter colors. This one has like the lace detail down the back of it. Like that. And that also comes in this kind of pink. And this beautiful turquoise one. With the lace detail up the back as well. And then here's this black color with the black and white stripes. That's really cute. Let me look at that one. Oh, I like that. And that one has tassels at the bottom. And then they got some really big little weird purses. Little watermelon slice shape purses, or should I say moon shape. And these are $8.97. I like this one. This will be cute to take to the beach. And it's clear on the other side. They have watermelon. That is really cute. And then they also have a lemon. And the mermaid, or mermazing. And they got a few down there that says beach please, shake sparkler, and then call me on my look at that, call me on my shell. That's funny, for $8.97. So now I'm gonna go over to the makeup section. Did you guys, this Walmart change your layout? Because now, as you can see, I'm walking in. They made the makeup section one way in and one way out. So it's kind of crazy. And then when you pay, you have to come out and pay at that desk right there. So I guess when I asked them what was that about, they said it was to prevent theft. So I guess that's good. It's kind of weird, but that's kind of cool. Oh, look at these. LA Colors. mythical nail polishes. Look at the package on that. That's pretty. What are this? This one is called Mermaid. That one. These are some pretty colors. And this purple one. That one says unicorn. Unicorn sparkle. And these are only $1.98. Here's some cute bath bombs. Hearts in my eyes. These are definitely giving me vibes of Lush. And these are only $2.98. But then look at this one. This one is cute. Blow Me a Kiss. That's really cute. And it has glitter all over it. And those are the only two I see on here. Here's the Walmart favorites. A selection of our favorites handpicked for you. So let's see. This box. Is that the box right there? Let me see. Yeah, that's actually the box. I don't want to pull it out because it's hard, but it's $9.88 and you would get all of this in there. That's not too bad. And then here's another one. The Eyes Have It. $9.88 and you get all of that. If I needed some more mascara, I would get this one. Let's see, down here, same thing. And then you have a Glow Like a Pro kit for $9.88. I'm tempted to get it for the body luminizer, even though, I don't know. Do I need that? Not really. But you have all of these. And then the last one I see is Latest in Lips. And you get all those glosses. And they got all of their eyelashes and stuff behind the glass. They got a nice selection though. They got the Luxe, all kind of stuff in there. And the press-on nails, wow. And then over here, I see the new Milani and it's Desert Jewels. Here's Hypnotic Lights, a eye topper. They have those 3 colors. They look real pretty, but I don't think I want to try them. I don't see a price on either of those. They had a powder highlighter right here, so they look like that. There was a beaming lights. Oh, they're all beaming lights, and then they have flashing light like that. Here's limited edition Hypnotic Lights iridescent lip gloss in Moon Glow, Wanderlust, and I think that purple one back there is Pixie Dust. So they look like that. Then you have a lip topper right here. Luster lights, flashing light, luminous light is all gone, and electric light. That burgundy is pretty. Over here they got some face and body powder bronzer, or it says bonzer. I think that's a typo. Bonzer? What is this? I do not know what a bonzer is. Right here, that's really pretty. Sun-Kissed Bronze. That's pretty. Here's the Sun-Kissed Bronze right here. Oh, it is another bonzer. And then that. But I will say this is really pretty. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I am done with my shopping. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I just kind of wanted to walk through and show you guys a few things and maybe see if we could see anything different. So thank you guys all for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.